You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Oh, I love this. Birds just chirping around, enjoying the blue skies today. It was a really nice way to, well, we're pretty much wrapping up our work week. You could say that by Thursday, right?
No blossoms or blooms in that video.
No, not yet. But hey, we're not that far off from that time of year. It's
I get it. I
crazy.
mean, time moves, but it is,
Yeah.
after all, it's January 4th today, so I guess we have a ways to go, Patrick.
Well, we're inching closer day by day, so if you're thinking about that already, it'll be here before you know it. Now, looking outside right now, we do have some high clouds rolling through. This really isn't going to bring too much. This is from the Flournoy camera. We can see some of the stars, in this case they're behind the banner, but you can also see some clearing out in the distance there. This may bring a couple showers to the coast mountains and sprinkles to parts of the valley, but it's not going to do too much. Those clouds will still be around tonight. We are dry and nice tomorrow, but we do have that weekend winter storm brewing, and it's going to make an impact, especially in our mountain areas. Now, for a future cast tonight, those high clouds sticking around. Again, a few sprinkles possible. I don't know how much of this is actually going to make it to the ground. I'm thinking it's going to be limited because of the dry air near the surface in the valley, but some showers will be possible in the coast mountains, but it clears out early tomorrow morning. 8:30, the sun is shining, and we'll see the sun continue to shine throughout the day. By 9:30, though, we will have some high clouds moving in, and that is going to be associated with our winter storm moving in on Saturday. This evening, we will see temperatures dropping down to the upper 30s to the mid-30s to upper 30s for the most part in the valley. The highs topping off in the lower 60s, so we are going to feel quite nice out there. This is a little above average for this time of year, so soak up that sunshine tomorrow. We will see some changes coming to our forecast, especially Saturday. So here's what we have. Noon on Friday, not much going on. Some high clouds here or there, but it's not going to be a lot. 9:30, those high clouds start to roll in, and we start to see this next system coming in. This is going to pull some cold air from the Gulf of Alaska, and that means it is going to drop our snow levels, also lower our temperatures heading into early next week. But there is still some uncertainty in the exact timing of this system. So far, this model is expecting it to move in by 9 a.m. for the snow in the mountains. This will slide through a region throughout the day on Saturday, but notice there is not a lot of moisture with the system in the valley itself. Just a few showers at times, but the majority of the activity will be in the mountains. Most of the activity will be farther south when it comes to the falling snow. So if you are heading farther south into the Central Sierra, really take it easy on the roadways. And if you don't have to travel on Saturday, don't. We will be watching the snow even here in the northern Sierra as we head into this weekend and even in the coastal mountains, but it does start to dry up by Saturday night into Sunday morning. But again, colder air on the way by Saturday. Here are all the winter weather alerts expected for the system. Winter storm warning above 3,000 feet for the Sierra. Winter weather advisory in the coastal mountains all beginning Saturday morning. And there's even a winter weather advisory that begins Saturday morning for the foothills of Shasta County above elevations of 2,000 feet. So here are some of the key takeaways with this system. Heavy snow above 3,000 feet, 10 to 20 inches possible. Snow levels as low as 2,000 feet, locally lower, especially by Sunday morning. So expect travel delays on I-5 and other mountain roadways. The next 7 days, we are dry at least Sunday and Monday. Although we are going to be chilly in those overnight hours, we are watching another system rolling in for the middle to end of next week, but those details are still uncertain.
Thank you, Patrick.